Hi, my name is Arthur Blackburn. I'm president of Global BPM Solutions, and we are celebrating the 10th anniversary of Global Latitudes. We are now releasing 3.0. In 3.0, we have a series of presentations, but this one is called the Address Book, which stands for your clients being handled with care. On our app, as you see on our other videos, and there's another video that covers all the website, the address book is where you keep your client information. Okay? We'll go up on this carefully here. The whole concept is this. We have multiple databases on the cloud on the platform with Intellect. The address book is one of the apps that is there to utilize in the office. It is where you actually will, and we'll go into detail on it, but it takes your client information and loads it, and we'll go over that. We won't go over the other things that I'm mentioning now, and that is the posting once you get a contract. Now, the beautiful thing is that whatever you put in your address book, all you have to do is put it down, use the download list on the first task, and you have the full workflow full, ready for you to edit it and add a little more information, which will be outlined in a different presentation. Then when a contract comes in, you don't have to put all that information that you had for the second stage there. It'll come automatically into the main workflow for the contract phase. And these will be covered in detail on other presentations. So today we're talking about the client's information being loaded into the office computer so that it can be utilized and save you time and money. And usually the office manager will be doing that, but the manager will be in control of it. Now, how do you get it there? Very simple. You have a spreadsheet, okay? It can be added to the address book from it or another external database, or you can input it one at a time with a workflow. Now, this is the table looks like. Once you hit on the here on the web apps, this table will appear, and you can click input a customer and do the workflow one at a time. Or you can go to the bottom of the table and click import, and it will give you the choice of what format you're importing the list into. You can add to an existing list you have, so it's not limited to brand new, okay? But here is the actual workflow in utilization, and you can see right now, and you can come back here and go at your leisure through it. But you have the input of the client, and again, we'll go over each one of these steps now. So there it is. Now, the first task is you put in the name of the company or individual. Then you assign a client number if you have a customer, but you should put something there anyhow because it's very useful, okay? Then you're going to put all the information about the client in here and make sure you get it summarized in here. And that's so it can be utilized in automation. No, this is the contact. In a larger company, the contact may be another person other than the one is the main person. If it's the same person, you'll just copy it from the list below, but you put it in here. Now, you have the classification of what kind of business is it. Now, if it isn't in the drop-down list, click that and you'll input a new one. Right? Same thing goes for equipment supplier. You have the different types. We have most of them in there. And then you're going to have the status of the customer, if it's an active or just a new customer or what. And then you want to put in the website. You click here and you actually input it. It'll give you an input form so that you can go to that website. And the posting status. And then this comes up automatically and that takes care of it. Now, I hope this has been useful. We invite you to come and see the rest of our videos. But this is the one for the address book. Though we will label it different, we call it the client service, okay? Again, that's good. Anyhow, you got the idea. Thank you.